So I had some collard greens and I had some cabbage left over. So what I'm gonna do is I put about a half rasher of bacon in here, and I'm just kind of rendering out as much of the oil and the fat as I can to use as the base for my vegetable. So once these crisp up, I'm gonna pull them out and leave the oil behind, and then I'm gonna start frying up or sauteing the cabbage in the bean. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Alright. I'm not so much worried about that. Yes. Hey, baby. My cooking partner. Where is she? Hello, cooking partner. Hi. Yeah, baby, I see you. Yes, baby. You gotta hold on my hand, though. You gotta hold on my hand. So I'm probably adding like a cup of water, just enough to get the bottom down or wet. And then I'm just gonna cover it and let the steam start building. Once we get close, we'll start like trying to get some of that water out and reducing that, and hopefully it'll be pretty good. So it's come up to a boil, and we're just gonna let some of that steam out little by little. So we still got that heat going in, but it'll start getting rid of a lot of the water and extra. The steam has been rising. I have a little bit of liquid left, and this is about it. At this point, you can add salt, pepper to taste. I like a dash of vinegar. My wife does not. Yeah, it's soft. It's cooked about 45 minutes. Around that. Okay.